You're welcome to our live streaming today. This is part 4 of Let's Talk Igbo Language. So if you are with us, wherever you are, be getting ready to join us in the next few minutes because we are, taking off exactly the next 3 minutes by 2 p.m. dot Nigerian time. So wherever you are and you are part of this broadcast, we encourage you to join us right away because we will take off in the next 2 minutes without waiting for any person again. So let's do this together. This is the Igbo Tutor welcoming you to part 4 of our live streaming. You're welcome. As you join, let me know that you are online, that you've joined me. Let me know that you are here. Once you join, let's indicate by shouting hi, no, on Dewo, so that we know you are right here with us. I am the Igbo Tutor. So I'm waiting for you to join up. Waiting for you to join up now. Let's do this together. The next 2 minutes, we will begin without waiting further. Yes, I'm waiting for you to join up. Waiting for you to join up. Join up now. The next 2 minutes, we are beginning today's session. This is part 4 of Let's Talk Igbo Language, a place where we discuss Igbo language in full measure, where we flow and challenge ourselves to speak in Igbo language. Welcome, Faith. I can see you here. You're welcome. Right on time. Right on time. Faith, you're welcome. I trust you'll be here. While we wait for others, we're starting the next 1 minute. In the next 1 minute, you have to join up. That we'll do this together. Let's talk Igbo language. Igbo. Yes. Waiting for you to join up wherever you are. If you are part of this discussion today, please, you need to join up quickly. We will not waste any time. We want to make it 1 hour on the dot so that we can release you to go back to your work and other activities. So please, if you intend to be part of this session, we encourage you to join up right now. So, Faith, you're happy. We're happy that you are here too. We appreciate you being here on time. Faith Barbara, you are always there for us. You are always on time. You're always committed to this. We appreciate you so much. Yeah. Ufemi Ezioha, you are here. Dewo Ezioha. Dewo Ezioha, Dewo. Please, you wrote good day, but we expect you to say Dewo or no. That's how we speak our language here. Okay, so good day is not accepted. You say no on Dewo. I'll be listening for the most part because I'm so occupied now. Okay, Faith says she's so occupied and she'll be listening somehow to us. We still appreciate that. Just be around, just listen while we do this together. So I'm using my mommy's phone. Okay. Ezirio has said she's using her mommy phone. That's fine. Any phone you can see around, you pick it up, use it. Your mommy will be proud of you that you want to speak Igbo language. So any phone you see around you, pick it up. Don't wait. Pick it up and use it. Your mommy phone is your phone. If you see your daddy own, pick your daddy's phone and use it. Tell them that your Igbo tutor say you must use any phone around you to speak. And they'll be proud of you that you want to speak Igbo language. So don't be afraid. Okay? So use any phone right away to join us. Now we are beginning because we promise we're going to start right on the dot of the hour. So we'll not waste any time. Dewo Ezirioha, Jisieike, yes. We are beginning right away. So first, I want to say no to all of you. We either say no or Dewo. That's how to welcome each other. So no, Faith. No, Ezirioha. I appreciate your coming. Chukwu gozie unu. God bless you all. So while we expect other participants to join up without wasting time, we need to start talking about what we need to talk about today, though we're expecting more people to join up now. So I'm still having Faith here, and I'm still having Ezirioha, Euphemia Ezirioha. I'm expecting others to join us. So let's begin by updating ourselves and reviewing our last session. Last session, we did so much extensively. We challenged ourselves to speak in Igbo language. Remember, the reason for this live session is to put to practice all we learned through the videos we have in our channel. We don't just want to give you videos to watch, but want to be sure that you are really learning something. So we created this live session to allow us to meet each other and challenge ourselves by speaking the Igbo language of land, trying to put them into practice. Because without practicing what you are learning, you will not be able to measure your level of progress in Igbo language. In fact, not only Igbo language, any language for that matter, until you begin to practice what you are learning and speak it out and try to communicate with it, you can't say you have learned anything. So we created this live session to give us opportunity to be able to, okay, Ernest, you're welcome. Ernest will say no on day when you join us so that we can know you are with us. We don't speak English too much here, we speak Igbo. So our welcome for Igbo is no or ndewo. So Ernest, I want to hear you. I want to see you write no or ndewo no. That is well done, or you people, or welcome, or whatever, or uno no, une bela. Just write something in Igbo. I'm talking to Ernest Mora Pedi. Please do that now. Ndewo is spelled N-D-E-W-O, or no is N-N-0-0, no. Please do that to show you are with us. So like I was saying, now, as we have welcomed Ernest, we're going to move on now. We're trying to review our last session. In last session, we did so much. We were able to challenge ourselves to speaking and writing. And then many people performed excellently well in that last session. In fact, that was the best session we had so far in this series, where everybody were busy trying to make Igbo sentences and Igbo connect languages and connect spellings, and it was a great moment. We really appreciate that so much. In that last session also, we gave an open invitation to anyone to make any particular request as to what they want us to do next. Some people said they want us to do video on verbs. Let me talk about verbs. When I reviewed our channel, I discovered that we have had a very rich video on verbs. If you watch a video that is called 100 two-letter words for Igbo beginners, 100 two-letter words for Igbo beginners, or two-letter word, or two-word phrases, not two letters, two-word phrases for Igbo beginners. The color of the banner is red color, red and black. It is two-word phrases for Igbo beginners. That video covered 100 two-word phrases for Igbo beginners. And when I went through it, I discovered that 99% of the words we have in that particular video are verb, completely verb. So if you are looking for how to improve your verb, I will encourage you to go back to our homepage, look for the video titled Two-Word Phrases for Igbo Beginners, a complete compilation. That is the video. Go and watch that video wherever you are. Okay? No, afam bụ Chinedu, abụ m onye Arochukwu, achọrọ m ego, nye m ego biko. Okay? This guy, Ernest, is saying that he need money. Ernest, we don't give people money here. Rather, we teach people Igbo language. Anyị enweghị ego ebe a. Anyị na-akụziri ndị mmadụ ka esi asụ Igbo. Ya bụ ọ bụrụ na ị na-achọ ego, you go to bank or any other place you can get money, or charity home. So here, we don't give money. We only teach Igbo language. So Ernest, if you are here, you want to learn Igbo language, you want to practice what you have learned before, so we appreciate you, you are welcome. So don't ask us for money, I beg you. So we move on. Like I was saying, if you are looking for a video that talked about Igbo verbs, go to our homepage and watch that particular video, 2-word phrases for Igbo beginners, a complete compilation that contains 100 2-word Igbo phrases for beginners, right? That video contains almost 100% of verbs. So you go and watch that video to the full, watch it complete. It's about 30-something minutes, so be patient with it. It has 100 2-word phrases that majority of them are only verbs. So if you have watched that video, I'm sure you're going to increase so much and improve on your verb usage and sentence formation. So go back, avail yourself of that chance to watch that video and learn so much from it. Somebody say we should do negativity and positivity word, like words in positive and negative. It's just like saying words and opposite. That's what I think is faith that asks for that, words and opposite. We have that in the pipeline. We will still do video on that because other things came up that made us not to go into that video. We did a video again. We discovered that most of us are having challenges with our alphabet and our spelling, because until you know the alphabet well, your spellings will not be right, your pronunciations will not be right. So we saw that the foundation was weak. We went back to redo our Igbo alphabet. So now we have the latest video that was uploaded this week that is titled Full Lesson on Igbo Alphabet. It comprises not only the alphabet, but vowels, consonants, and other things like that, and word formation. So go back to our homepage and watch that video. You need to have a solid foundation of Igbo by understanding the Igbo alphabet and the formation of sentences. In fact, today, our practical session today will be the formation of Igbo sentences. So I'm going to challenge you today to form or write Igbo words, not just sentences, but words. That's what we're going to deal with today, using the alphabets. So we're going to be giving you words, challenge you to use the alphabet right, to write the word correctly, the spelling correctly, and possibly pronounce it. Unfortunately, I can't hear you when you pronounce it, but I can see what you write. So that is basically what we do today. Then, number 2 update that is important to let all of you know is that in our first live session, we discussed the importance of having ebooks that will serve as lesson notes for you. I want to announce to you that we have implemented that. Now we have ebooks. In fact, we have 4 of them now that covers different topics. 2 words, Igbo phrases. We have the one for school conversation. We have the one for animal names. We have another one too for alphabets and the full lesson on alphabet. These ebooks are not just ebooks that you know out there. This is a unique one. What makes our ebooks unique? What makes it unique is that our ebooks come with audio voice for teaching and for reading of the book for you. We understand the fact that many of us who are learning Igbo language may not have grown up in Igbo land, or may not even be Igbo at all. Like Faith is not Igbo, but she's interested in learning Igbo. So you might not really know how to read these ebooks. If we just release this book to you, or you just buy this book and download it, you may not be able to read them accordingly with the right pronunciation. So what do? To solve this problem, we have to do the audio teaching for that ebook. We literally read the book for you and explain what the book contains in the right words, right pronunciations, and then record them as audio and then incorporate it into the ebook, so that when you buy the ebook, you are buying not just the book, but you are buying audio book and letter books. So you have 2 in 1 in our ebooks. Our ebooks is 2 in 1. That is what makes it unique. That's what makes it unique. In our ebook, you have audio and text. So why you buy 1 book for the price of 1, you have audio book and the textbook, which will equip you with all you need to advance your Igbo language learning. In this case, when you buy a book and download it, you will be going through the text, the pictures and everything, and then you'll be listening to me talking to you and explaining the content of the book and giving you the right pronunciations, the right words, and everything you need to know. I think Euphemia Ezerioha is here, and then Ernest is here. I don't know whether I've welcomed Ernest already or not. So Ernest, no, if I've not welcomed you. So that our ebook has two components: the text and pictures, the wordings, and the voice of me talking to you, just as I'm talking to you now, reading the book for you, explaining the content, pronouncing the things right for you. In other words, you are now equipped with the book you need at home that is with you to as long as you want. And you are hearing my voice every day you open the book. You can still hear my voice teaching you and explaining to you. So you have the price of one for two: audiobook and ebook. So there is no other ebook that is like this. This is a unique one, tailored towards you and made particularly for you. So if you have not bought this ebook, please, I advise you that at the end of this live session, go to our community page. Go to our community page. Open our community page in our channel page. Move to the community page, open it, and you see the books advertised and displayed there. Just click on the link up there to buy your book. The price is so cheap. It's just $1, $1.2 per book. That is ridiculous. You can't get it cheaper anywhere. And this is for live access, not limited access. Live access, which means you can listen to these voices and look at the book over and over until you master everything therein. So I don't think there is anybody. Chikezie McDonald is here. Chikezie, no, we say welcome to you. There will. Chikezie, before you join, I was talking about our ebook that we have written, about 4 of them, and we're going to write more. That this ebook, every of our students need to buy this ebook. In fact, I need to appreciate Faith Obara, because she has bought about 3 of these books. She bought them. Remaining only one she has not bought. Though I've given her that one as a bonus. Is for her. Is already sent to her email address to download. It's a bonus for her because she's a very lovely woman, a very supportive woman. Faith Barbara, I still want to thank you, especially this moment. If you are hearing my voice now, you are a unique woman. You are a pillar to this channel. You have bought almost all our books. Not only buying our books, Faith has given us cash donation. Okay, I'm back. The network just sent me away, and I'm back now. Hope you can hear me now. Apart from buying all our ebooks, Faith has given us cash donations. Please look at the comment section, look down there, you see what Faith has written there, that right now they are very affordable. They are cheap. You can't get it any lower. It's just around $1, $1.2 that has audio and the text and pictures, and they are with you always. You can always read them. So at the end of this session, please go to our community page, community session in our page. Then open and see the advert of the books, buy any of them. I'm also going to put the link to our store to the description of this particular live session, so that later on, when you open the description section of this live session, when we upload it finally, you can also see a link to our store. That is the least you can do to support us. Not only to support us, to support yourself, to learn Igbo language faster, is to buy that book. Buy it, keep it with you, listen to me every time, and then go back to it for revision. Whatever you have forgotten, you can refer back to the book, you can play the audio again, and you hear me talking to you again. In that case, you don't need to buy data again to be able to listen, because you have them in your own phone or your own computer. You would have downloaded them, you download the video, the text, you download the audio. They are with you permanently in your system, so you can always listen to them to remind yourself of whatever you have forgotten. Felicia Jumbo, you are welcome online. Felicia is another person that is really doing well. She has bought 2 of the books. remaining the last one. She told me she wants to finish the 2 she bought before she will buy the 3rd one, which is the alphabet. So the last ebook we have written now is the full lesson on Igbo alphabet. This book is also available. When I put the link to our store into the description of this live session, you can access it there, or go to our community page in our homepage. Go to community section, you'll see a link to that ebook. Please click on it, buy as many as you can. That is the only way you can improve and move faster in your Igbo language learning. So don't waste time. Buy this book now. The price may change later, but now we are doing the promo. We want everyone to have it. All our students should have it. So the price is still very cheap now. Make sure you buy your own now. I don't want you to miss it, and I don't want you to really take something. It took me a lot of time to put that ebook together, the recording of the audio teaching, the text, the picture, and everything. So please avail yourself of that opportunity. Now, the last ebook we did was on Igbo alphabet, complete lesson on Igbo alphabet. The Igbo alphabet lesson we have now, which we have also uploaded in our video here, is a special one. It has to do with knowing how to write the alphabet by yourself, moving from the English to Igbo alphabet. Not only that, knowing the unique characters and nature of Igbo alphabet. Alien Richer, you are welcome to our session. You are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. No, they will. Now we are moving on. So our Igbo alphabet, the latest video and the latest ebook we have on Igbo alphabet is a unique one. Let me tell you, if you don't master the Igbo alphabet, you cannot really do much in Igbo language. The Igbo alphabet is a foundation. You can't just ignore it and start pronouncing words and calling this and calling that. You'll be wasting a lot of time. So go back to that video, buy the ebook, and listen to me pronounce the alphabets, pronounce the words with it, and then teach you how to write it. You have to write it by yourself, and then pronounce the alphabets and use them accordingly. Today, we're going to practice how to use the Igbo alphabet. I'm going to be giving you words, because that is the next session. We're moving on now. I've already talked about the ebook, how to access them, and how to use them. Now, let's go to the main discussion of today. Today, we are going to practice and know how much we have understood the sound of the Igbo alphabet. So right here, I'll be giving you words. I'll be giving you words, not sentence or phrase, just word. I give you one word. I will expect us to write the spelling of that word in the comment section of this comment section here down. You will write the spelling. Let me see how many of us can spell the Igbo word correctly. If you cannot spell the Igbo word correctly through the sound, it means you have a weak foundation. It means you don't know the sound of the Igbo alphabet. So we are going to do that now. That's our practical session today. I'm going to pronounce the word. You write it in the comment section, in the chat section here. Let me know how many of us can get the right spelling. And when I mean spelling, I mean real spelling, not just anything you like to write. Listen to my sound, and as I say the word. Are we ready for this? So let's begin right away. Number one, are you ready? If you are ready, say, I am ready. Say, type ready in the chat session. Let me be sure you're hearing me. I want to see you type ready. Ready. It's like dictation. I call the word for you. You write the spelling in the chat session. Okay? Ellen Richard says she's ready. Who else is ready? Ellen is ready. Who else is ready? It's a detection of Igbo language. Okay, Felicia Jumbo is ready. Who else is ready? Who else is ready to take on this challenge now? Igbo detection. Igbo detection. I detect the word. You write the spelling in the chat session. 2 people are ready. Ellen and Felicia. How about the other people? Are they not ready? We're about 7 or 8 here. I don't know whether others are not ready yet. Okay, ready. Though I know know that I'm going to fail. Oh, Faith, why are you sounding negative? Why are you sounding negative? You should be positive now. Why are you saying you will fail? You have not failed yet, so you can't fail. I trust that Faith will not fail because Faith has gone far. She's only trying to pull her leg. She will not fail. What about other people? Are they ready? Okay, 3 people are ready. I don't know about others, what is happening to them, whether they are ready or not. It could be network. They may have replied us, but network will not let it come in as early as possible. Okay, I have a challenge with alphabet. Yeah, that's why we are here now. That's why we are here. We know that many people have challenge with alphabet, and that's why we need to emphasize it and let us know the importance of the alphabet. It's like the foundation. It's like the building block. If you don't know the alphabet, you will take a long time learning. And when you pronounce word or try to speak, they will start laughing at you because you are pronouncing the words wrongly. The sound is not correct. So let's begin. Number 1, aka. Let me just take 3-letter words. Aka, that is hand. That's the meaning of aka, hand. Aka. Please, can you write aka, hand? Okay, Richard has written. Other people, I'm waiting for you. Cookie J, hand. Cookie J, I didn't say you should write English. I say aka, and I explain that the meaning of aka is hand. So you are going to write aka in Igbo, not in English. Cookie J, write the, okay, Cookie J has written aka, Cookie J. Oh yeah, now, who has not written? I've seen Mata. Okay, Agomata, you are here. No, Agomata. Thank you, Agomata. Please, we are doing Igbo dictation, and we are pronouncing. I pronounce Aka, and I say we should write the spelling in the chat session. Many have written Agomata. You just call me. Write Aka for us. Okay, Ago has written Aka. Which other person has not written? Faith was the first position. Okay, Ellen Richard took the first position. Because we're going to be announcing results. Ellen Richard took the first position. The one I received the response first, you're going to take the first position. Ellen Richard took first, aka Aka, followed by Faith Barbara, correct. Felicia, correct. Cookie J, correct. Who again? Agumata, correct. Okay, many has answered the question. Let me take another word starting with Aka. Let me know who can. Okay, I'm going to take about 4-letter words or 5. Let me take it. Listen to me now. Akoko. Akoko. Which means side. Side. The side. Akoko. Akoko. Side. Like the side of something. Side of my cheek. Akoko. Side. Okay, I'm waiting for the answer. Who takes first position in this case? Akoko, Clement, Eme. Okay, Clement, you are here. Clement, thank you for coming back. I just replied your email today. I'm very sorry I did not reply your email on time. I'm very sorry. I'm so busy and they're trying to meet up with the ebook writing and a lot of things I did over the past 2 weeks. So Clement, sorry for not replying your mail on time. I just replied your mail today. Clement, I'm talking to you, Clement Emehe. If you are hearing me, please let me know you heard what I said, that I am sorry for replying your email late. I just replied it today because I was so busy trying to write the ebooks and so many things and the new video. It's not easy at all to do this. But what do? We are committed to doing it. So, Clement, if you heard me, please respond that I'm sorry for delaying to respond to your email. I want to hear you respond to my plea if you have accepted my apology. Okay, Clement was the one that first wrote Akoko. Okay, then Koki J wrote Okuko. My God, I did not say anything like look like Okuko. Koki J, where did you hear this one? I don't know where you got Okuko. I said Akoko. Where did you get Okuko? Okuko means foul. Koki J, you must, I'm sure you are joking. So Koki J, please rewrite what I say you should write. I say Akoko, not Akuko. Akoko. Akoko. Now write again. Koki J, write again. Write what I'm saying. Felicia Jumbo, got it? Akoko. Very correct. LM Richard, wrote akoko. My God. Akoko means story. I said akoko. Akoko. So Ellen Richard wrote akoko, that is story, not side. Akoko is different from akoko. So now, Ellen Richard, correct yourself. I'm not going to leave you. Okay, you have corrected yourself. Akoko. That's correct. Who again? Faith Babara Akoko. Agumata Akoko. Who again? Okay, Clement, you have responded. Thank you for accepting my apology. Koki J wrote Akoko again. This Koki J, I'm going to fight you. Okay, you wrote Akoko again. It's Akoko. Akoko. Ekoko. Okay? You have tried. Koki J, I'll be lazy. Koki J, you admitted you are lazy. You are not learning. Okay. Now, okay, Koki J has corrected herself. She said, oh, are you a man or a woman? I don't know. Koki J, please correct me. Is it he or she? Is it herself or himself? Let me get it right. Koki J, you have written Akoko. Fine. But all of us that have written Akoko, let's look at what Felicia Jumbo wrote. Her own Akoko is the correct spelling. Other people wrote Akoko, which is you without dot under. But look at Felicia Jumbo. Her spelling of Akoko is the right spelling. A-K-U-K-U, but the U has dot under. Dot under, dot under. If you have listened to the alphabet and gone through the video lesson on alphabet, you will know that O is different from U. U is the one without dot under, but O is one that has dot under. And the one we need here is the one with dot under. Akoko. O, not U, is O. So Felicia Jumbo got the correct spelling with the right alphabet, which is Akoko. Can we clap for Felicia Jumbo? If you can, give me a clapping emoji. Give me a clapping emoji for Felicia Jumbo. Felicia has improved so much. Last time in the last session, she was not doing as much as this. Today, she wants to take first position. Felicia, I raise my hand for you. You are really showing that the ebook is working in your body. Felicia, can you share a testimony about the ebook? I'm sure you are going through one or two of them already you have bought. Can you tell us how it is going? Are you really doing well? Okay, people are clapping for Felicia. I can see Koki J raise his hand up. Ellie Richard has already given her a handshake. So Felicia, share with us. Barbara is clapping for her. Okay, thank you, Felicia. Okay, thank you. Felicia, can you share with us what is your experience from the ebook that you are going through now that has the audio and the text and everything? Felicia, can you share with us in the chat session what is your experience of the ebook? What can you say about our ebook? Does it meet your expectation? Is it making you learning faster? Because I can see today you are writing very well. Unlike last time, you are better today. Okay, the ebook are really helping me. Wow. Books are really helping me. I can see from her writing today that the ebook is helping so much. You need to be listening to me saying it over and over because you have the audio in your phone downloaded to your own computer. You have the text. You are going through the text. You are listening to me saying it or pronouncing it. There is no way you will not move fast in your Igbo language learning. So please avail yourself of this opportunity. Go for the ebook today. It complements you so much. I'm going to put the link to the description of this live session when I upload it, or better still, go to our community section and open the community section. You will see the advert of the books there. Click on the link. It will lead you to our store. Pick one or two of the books and start going through it. It has audio and text and pictures. It makes your reading and learning very fast. I'm really improving. You see, Felicia is confessing that. That's why she's winning today. The ebook is helping so much. Let's go on. We've just given two words. We've said aka and then akoko. Let's go to letter B. Letter B. The first word we are dictating for letter B is bia. Bia, come. Bia. Who is giving all the first spelling? Let me see who takes first position with the right alphabet. Bia. Bia, come. Bia, come. Who is giving all the spelling? It's a three-letter word. Bia, come. Yes, Bia, come. Okay, Felicia Jumbo has taken first again. Bia, Faith has said Bia. Ellen Richard has said Bia. Okay. Clement Emehe. Via with dot under I at the. Look, Clement. I didn't say via. I said Bia. So Clement, correct yourself. I know you know it. You can do better than this. Clement, correct yourself now before I give you cane. It's not via. It is Bia. Clement, I give you last warning. Correct yourself. I know you are more than this. I didn't say via, I said bia, not via. Okay? So Clement, I'm waiting for a correction. Okay? Okay, somebody wrote bia. Okay, that's good. Felicia is the one that took the first position again now, but not only taking first position. Agomata, correct yourself now. Okay, Clement say computer. I know you must be computer. You are more than that, Clement. I know you have advanced more than failing a simple task like beer. I know it's computer. Agumata, where are you? You deleted what you wrote. You made mistake. Oh yeah, correct yourself now, Agumata. I will not leave you. Agumata, correct your beer. I'm waiting for you. Don't let me give you disciplinary measure. Okay? Because I know those who are supposed to be more than this. Okay, dot under I. Yes. Why don't you put dot under I in your own writing? Clement, you didn't put it. Your keyboard doesn't have it. I've told you before in the last session that your phone can have Igbo alphabet. Your computer can have it. Just go to the language section, go to the keyboard, and go to keyboard options. You will select Igbo keyboard, Kwati keyboard, Igbo. You will see it in your keyboard section and options. Is in phone, is in computer, is everywhere. Just go to the keyboard option, select language, go to keyboard. You will select Igbo keyboard. Kwati keyboard Igbo is there. So when you download it or when you select it and then install it, your keyboard will now be giving you option of either English or Igbo. It will be displayed there, English, Igbo. So anytime you can switch to anyone you want, either Igbo or English. So you don't need to tell me put dot on that. You just put it, just like Felicia put it. You put it there. Who else put the dot on that? Nobody else except Felicia. Only Felicia got the spelling. Bia with dot under I. Felicia again has taken first position. This is massive. Felicia is really on fire today. Can we give Felicia a clapping or emoji again? She has won this one, Bia, with dot under. Although Clement also knew what to do, but maybe his keyboard is not cooperating. He doesn't have Igbo option in his keyboard. So let's give Felicia Jumbo a clapping emoji again. She has won. She got it first. She got it first, and she got the spelling correctly. Felicia, you are reigning today. You are on top today. Okay. Well, let's give Felicia her due clapping. Let's give her due clapping. Her emoji. Give it to her. She deserves it. She got the first question and got it correctly. The answer, both timely and correct spelling. Felicia, you are on top today. Okay, fire emoji. Wow, Felicia is on fire. I know. Your ebook is really working on you so much. Okay, let's go to the next word for B. We'll try to take two words for each alphabet. B, next word is, let me challenge you now. Next word is ba-nye, 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 which means enter. It's not a separate word, it's the same word though. Ba-nye is 5-letter word. B-A, I will spell it. I will give you expo. So it's 4-letter words or so. Yeah, 4-letter words. Ba-nye, not separated. Now let me have it. Ba-nye. Wow. Ellen Richard, you're on fire. Clement Emehe, Banye, you're on fire. Who is coming third? Who is coming third? Ellen Richard has taken first position here. Then Clement got second position. Who is taking third position? Who is taking Felicia Jumbo by here? Oh, Felicia, you failed this one. Oh, you tried, but you missed this one. You made the spelling. Agumata, he got third position. Banye, he got third position with the right spelling. Who else is coming in here? Who else is answering? Who else is answering this question? Who else is answering? Okay, Felicia Jumbo Banye, you have corrected yourself. That's fine. You got it now. B-A-N-Y-E. Banye, B-A-N-Y-E. That N-Y is Ni, that is one alphabet, not two. One is a special alphabet. N-Y, Ni is not two alphabets. So many of you got it. Even Felicia was able to correct herself. So let's give Ellen Richard a clapping emoji. Ellen Richard got first. In this case, let's give her her due clapping, due thumbs up, due clapping, due thumbs up for Ellen Richard. She got the right spelling first with everything correct. Banye, enter, Banye. Now we go to letter C. Letter C. Remember, if you have watched many of us are not clapping for Ellen Richard. You think it's easy to get this thing. So what is the meaning of Banye? Okay, Felicia Jumbo, I've said it here. Banye means enter, go in or enter. That is Banye. That is the meaning. Go in or enter. Banye. Banye no lo. Enter the house. Okay. Clap. Some people are clapping for her already. So we go to the third letter, which is C. But in Igbo, we don't have letter C. We have letter CH, replacing letter alphabet C in English. So we don't have C alphabet. We have Chi, which is CH. Chi, CH. So the first word I'm dictating for you for letter C is chere, which means wait. Chere, wait. Who is getting it first? Who is shooting first? Chere, wait. Let me have your spelling in the chat session. Chere, wait. Who is shooting first? Chere, Ellen Richard, you're on fire. Ellen Richard is on fire. Who else? Okay, Faith Barbara, Chere, second position. Cookie J, third position. Chere. Who else is coming in here? Oh, this Felicia, they are beating you to the game. Oh, they are push you back. Oh, Felicia, I don't agree. Oh, they are push you back. Chere, Felicia got it. Oh, Clement has said Tere. Clement, me and you go fight. Oh, Clement, pay attention to your computer. What is doing to you is making you to fail. I know you know what to write, but your computer is failing you. So be attentive. Pay attention. Agumata Chere. Okay, Clement has corrected himself. Chere, I know you know it, but you have to be very careful of your computer. Your keyboard it shouldn't fail you. So, who got the first position? The spellings you wrote are correct, which is wait. But the winner here is Ellen Richard again. Please give her her clapping emoji. She deserves it. Ellen Richard, you're on fire. You're on fire. You're on fire. Ellen Richard. Okay, we've done the first word for alphabet chi, chere. The second word for alphabet ch is is Chineke. Let me give you 5-letter words. Chineke. I don't know whether you know what Chineke means. God the creator. That is Chineke. That is the Igbo name for God. God the creator. Chineke. Oh yeah, fire on. Clement Emehe. I know Clement will wake up from sleep. Clement is already awake. Koki J, Chineke. Clement, Chineke. Clement is trying to take first this time around. Ellen Richard, Chineke, right? Who else is on fire here? 3 people have shot their shot. Okay, Chenike. Okay, Felicia John, but he didn't get this one. He didn't get it, but you tried. Who else is shooting? Who else is shooting? Who else is shooting? I've got 4 answers already. Who else is shooting here? Let's get your answer. Make an attempt. Don't say somebody has got the answer already. Make your own attempt by trying to type and write and try to do it first. You are sharpening your understanding of the language. You are sharpening your perception. You are sharpening your alphabet recognition. You are sharpening your brain. So don't just say somebody has written, I will not write again. Write your own. Try to do it first. That is the spirit. It's a competition. Chineke, okay? So as you do, Akomata has done her own. As you do it, it sinks into your subconscious mind. The way I pronounce it is sound in your ear. You're able to attempt it and you're able to get it. It's going into your subconscious mind. It shows you are following Faith Barbara Chineke. It's interesting to know that Faith Barbara did not leave us. She says she's very busy, but I think she has given us the time today. Faith, God bless you. Chugoziegi. Okay, who took the first position here? It is Clement Emeher. Clement took the first position, Chineke, which is God the Creator. Let me explain this. Chi means God. Neeke is that creates. So Chineke is God the Creator. There are other names we call our God. We call God Chukwu, Chi-Ukwu, but when you join it together, it becomes Chukwu, right? You remove the I, it becomes Chukwu. That is, we call it vowel swallow. So if it is Chukwu, is the great God, God the great, great God, Chukwu. But Chineke is God the creator, God the creator, Chineke that creates. Chukwu, God the great, great God. I believe this is understood clearly. So we've taken the two alphabets, the three alphabets, we've taken the two letters for Chi. What is the next alphabet? A, B, Chi, D. The next alphabet is D, D, D. The first word for D, I don't know who is going to take first position here, is Dalo. We always write Dalo many times. I hope we will get first position. Most of us be writing Dalo, 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 which is well done or thank you. Yes? Who is writing first? Who is taking first? Who is taking first? Dalo. Who is taking first? Okay, okay. Guys on fire. Ellen Richard is one that sent first report, first answer. Faith Babara, second. Cookie J wrote Diallo, that is not the right spelling. Okay, I'm waiting for others to shoot their own shoot. Okay, with dot under. Okay, okay, okay. K Messia, Adam busy. Okay, Agam Nyau, Agam Nyau, Agam Tidal. Okay, okay, I understand you. Adam busy. Okay, I understand you. That is Clement Emehe. Said he's busy. Maybe you need to join us next time or later on. Okay, that's good. That's good. Thank you, Clement Cody. Now we have Agomata Dalo. Only one person got the right spelling. Maybe she has the right keyboard, I suspect. Maybe she has installed Igbo keyboard in her own phone, and I'm telling you to do that. That will help you a lot. That is Faith, Alicia Jumbo. She's the one that got the spelling with the right alphabet there. Okay? So, although Ellen Richard said with dot under, which means she also has idea, I don't know whether it's she or he, has idea of what it should be, but maybe her phone doesn't have, or his phone, I don't know. Please, Ellen Richard, correct me. Are you he or she? I don't know. I can't see you. So maybe your phone doesn't have the Igbo alphabet keyboard option. That's why you cannot. So you wrote with dot under Ellen Richard, which means you understand what you wanted to write. Okay, I'm back. Network just shut me out. That is Nigeria network for you. So, sorry, we are having challenge with network. It's going off and on. So, really logged off. Sorry, network just pushed me out. I'm back. Okay. Okay, back live again. Network is pushing me off and on. Okay. Who won this particular dialogue this time? It was Felicia Jumbo with dot under U. That is the right pronunciation, the right spelling for dialogue, which is well done on Dewo. Okay, okay. Of course, Felicia, network is disturbing. You can see that. It's really challenging me, but I will not give up. We have to go on. So we have done the first letter for D, which is dialogue, which means well done or thank you or anything like that. All goes for dialogue. Another name for dialogue is Ndewo. We can also use Ndewo. So that is the first word for D. The second word for D is okay. Let me just use a simple thing. Dupu. Okay, dupu. Are you with me? Dupu. Second word for D. Dupu. Dupu. Du. Okay. Dupu. Write your spelling. Fire on, fire on, fire on. Write your spelling. Dupu. Who is taking first position now? Fire. Dupu. Spell it for us in the chat session. Dupu. Faith Barbara on fire. Faith has given her answer. Dupu. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Ellen Richard Dupu, right? Ellen Richard has fired. Who else is firing? Felicia Jumbo, third position. Fire on. Who else is firing here? Who else is firing the spelling of Dupu? Who else is firing on? I have Felicia, Faith, Ellen Richard. Who else is shooting his shot? Shoot your shot now. Don't just wait for others. Agomata shot, Dupu. Okay, who else is shooting? The spelling of Dupu. Who else is shooting? Don't wait for others to take position first. Try to take first position. Don't just stay behind. Okay, 4 people have answered. And those who are still coming on board, please pay attention. The first position now goes to Faith Barbara Dupu. That is the correct spelling. This U doesn't have dot under, it's U. If it has dot under, it's O. So this one is Dupu. U. So that is the correct spelling. D-U-P-U is correct. No dot under. Dupu. That is fine. It's challenging me to be serious with the alphabet. Okay, that is it now. I want you to, okay, T Drilly wrote Dopo. If you put dot under you, it's no more Dupu. It's no more lead away. You spell the T Drilly. Let me also welcome you first. Ndewo, T Drilly. You are welcome. No. So, but the right one we're talking about here is lead away. Dupu. Is the U doesn't have dot under. If we pronounce what Tidrili has written, the meaning is, the sound is dopo. The meaning of that word is push away, especially with a sharp object, to push something, as you push something out of a pipe or an enclosure, and then you forcefully push that thing out. That is dopoya. You are using a sharp thing to push something out of a particular enclosure. But dupu is lead away. You are holding somebody by hand, for example, you are leading the person away. Dupu, lead away. We also use it for escort. Escort him or her out. Dupuya, escort him out. That is dupu. But dopo, you without under, is force out using sharp objects or anything to force something out of an enclosure. That is dopo. I believe T Drilly is following me. Okay, I believe it's okay. He has shown the emoji that is right. You understand what I'm explaining? So we've done letter A to D. We are in what letter now? A, B, C, D. Next letter is E. English we call it E, but our own E is E. It's not E in Igbo. So don't when you see Igbo word written and you see E, you'll be pronouncing it E. It's not E, it's E. We don't have E. Our E is I. Our E is I. Our E is I. Whenever you see I without dot under in Igbo word, it is E. But when you see E as we have in English, it means E in Igbo. That's where we are now. So let's go on with letter E. Okay? The first word for letter E is ekene. Ekene or ekele. That is greeting. But I'm going to limit it to ekele. Ekele, using L, not N. Ekele, which is greeting. Ekele. Okay, somebody has written ekene. Okay, I accept that if you use N. Okay, Ellen Richard has short. Oh, I don't know why Ellen Richard deleted that, what she has written before. Ellen Richard accepted what you wrote. I don't know why you deleted it. Okay, you want to change it to L. But I'm still giving number one answer to Ellen Richard because she got it based on what I said first before I change it. So I'm giving Ellen Richard the first response in this case. Faith Barbara has written, and then, okay, they are reversing. They wrote Ekene before and they changed it to Ekele. Okay, Agomata has written Ekene. That's all right. I accept either Ekene or Ekele. I accept either. Felicia Jumbo wrote Ekere. No, I didn't put R there. It's L or N. That's what I said. Ekele. Ekele. Wow. Ekele. Felicia Jumbo has even put the sound, the tone sound. Felicia is really on fire today. I must confess. Felicia, I removed my cap for you. Unfortunately, I didn't wear a cap. I will remove it for you. She has gone ahead to put the sounds on top of the vowels because it's only the vowel that has tone mark on top. Consonant doesn't have it, only vowel. And Felicia has put the mark. Ben, you are welcome. I don't know whether I've welcomed you before. Ben, you are welcome. No. So Felicia has gone ahead to put the tone marks on top of the vowels, which is very correct. But the first position today for this word goes to Ellen Richard. She got it correct first, even though she changed it to Ekele. I'm the one that made the mistake. I used Ekene before I changed to Ekele. So anyone who wrote Ekele before is correct. Ellen Richard got first, followed by Faith Barbara, second position. But I must salute Felicia Jumbo for putting the tone marks on the E to give it the right sound. High. Ekele. High tone. So Felicia, you really on fire. Felicia, really on fire, I must confess. Felicia, this ebook has done you so well. Oh, this ebook has done you so well. You have improved so much, so much. Now, second word for okay, Felicia, you are Oku. Okay, that's great. You are Oku. Okay, now that's you are fire. You are Oku. Oku is fire. According to Faith Barbara, you are right there. Oku is fire. But let me tell you, Faith, this Oku that you wrote here is not correct too. Oku is O has dot under and U has dot under. That is Oku. If you don't put dot under, it becomes Oku. Oku, which is call. They call you to come. Oku. That's call. So please correct your Oku. I don't accept this one. Now, let's move on to the next word using E. Using E. And then the next one, okay, T-drill, I have corrected you. That is Oku for you, not okay, you without dot under. That is Oku, call. It's not fire. Okay, look at what driller has written. Drilly, T-drilly, and that is the correct pronunciation for fire. Now we're going to the next word using E. And the next word is, what am I going to use? Eku. Eku means plate, spoon for scooping soup. Not just spoon, ordinary spoon. I don't know what you call it in your own place, but the big spoon we used to carry soup from pots. We call it eku. Okay, I don't know what you call it in your own place. I don't know whether I'm right. I don't know whether that is Central Igbo or not. But the surface go. I'm answering. Okay, but I'm already giving word though. Okay, eku. Eku. Oh, Okay, Richard, I've got your answer. Eku, Felicia, Jumba, got your answer. Okay, Agomata, I got your answer. Yes, waiting for others. Waiting for others to turn in their own answer. Faith Babara, Eku. Tidrila, Eku. Correct, 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 correct. Let me give the result. Who got the first position? Ellen Richard give the answer first, but didn't get the spelling. He tried, or she, I don't know whether it's he or she, tried to put tone mark on top of the E, but his tone mark went wrong. The tone mark for on top of E is not low tone, it's high tone. A is high, but you wrote a ku, which is down, low tone, a ku. That's not the word. So you missed it by your tone mark. So the first position goes to Felicia Jumbo. Again, Felicia has come first again. Then followed by Agomata, followed by Faith Babara, third position. Congratulations to all of you. Give yourself emoji. Clap for yourselves. Then, Driller, you also got it right. That's fine. So we've gone 2 words using alphabet E. We go to the next alphabet. Let me take the alphabet again. A, B, C, D, E, F. So the next alphabet is F. F. Call it F. Okay. The first word here is for. I will not spell it for you. Foa, which means blow. If you have watched the the latest video on Igbo alphabet, you get this one correctly. Foa like blow something, either blow a balloon, blow a flute, blow anything blowable with air. That is foa. So I'm waiting for you. Who is firing first? Foa, blow air into something. Foa. Okay, driller say four. When I say four, okay. Okay, Ellen Rich, I say four. Fua. The spelling is not yet correct. Felicia Jumbo wrote fuo. The spelling is not yet correct. I'm waiting for who will get the correct spelling. Agomata foa. Foa. Waiting for the correct spelling. Nobody has gotten it correctly. You have gotten the 3 words, but fuo, no, Ellen Richard, I don't agree with you. Fuoha, no, Felicia Jumbo, no, it's 3-letter word, actually, it's 3-letter word. I'm only looking for where to put the dot under. You are to put dot under you. Then, I think T-thriller is close to that. T-drilly, not thriller. T-drilly is close to that. 4 is also acceptable. You either say 4 or 4, they are all correct. So I think T-driller got the answer. 4 is the same. Some will say 4, some will say 4. So it's correct. So T-driller, your answer is right. F, U, O, we don't out again. Sorry, network pushed me out. I'm back. Okay, 4 dot under F. No, you can't put dot. Felicia, you can't put dot under F. F is a consonant. We don't put dot under it. You can only, it's only vowel that had that dot, not consonant. So you can only put dot under U or O, not under F. Okay, Agomata, you should have dot under if your keyboard permits that. We have done 1 letter of F. Second letter, we have done 1 word on F. Second word for F is fepu. 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 That is fly away. Fepu. Fly away. Who is shooting first? Fepu. Fly away. Who is shooting first? Fepu. Fly away. Fepu. Fly away. I must leave you people now. I must work now. Okay, thank you all. Take care till next time. Thank you, Ellen Richard. You've tried. In fact, our hour is already completed. The 1 hour mark is completed, but we just have to add a little bit because of loss of time due to network failure. So we got to add a little bit. FEPU, maybe our next 10 minutes we'll round up, or 20. FEPU, okay. Felicia Jumbo is not FAPU, it's FEPU. It's E. Okay. Okay, you got it now. FEPU. Agomata, you got it. FEPU, fly away. Fly away. FEPU. That's right. Bye. Okay, Ellen, we're saying bye to you. Thank you for leaving us now. You've tried. You really contributed so much today. Hope to see you next time. Ndeo. Okay, now we got FEPU, FEPU, FEPU. Who got it first? Okay, Barbara, FEPU, that's correct. Who got it first? Tidrili got it first. FEPU, fly away. That's the correct spelling. That's the correct word. FEPU, fly away. Tidrili. Please give Tidrili the clapping emoji. Give him or her the clapping emoji. I don't know whether it's he or she. Please give the clapping emoji to that gentleman or woman. She got it. I think we have done the two words for F. Let's see the next alphabet. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G. Next alphabet is G, G. Next alphabet is G, G. Okay, let's listen to the word now that we are using for G. The word here, first word is gafe. Gafe, that means pass. Pass, as we say somebody should pass or something pass. Gafe. So who is shooting first? Gafe. Who is shooting first? Word is gafe. Give me a spelling. The chat session. Gafe. Pass. Who is shooting first? Gafe. Gafe. Who is shooting first? Pass. Pass. Gafe. Who is shooting first? Gafe. Pass. Okay, Gafe. All right, it's flowing in. Agomata has shot first. Faith Babara has shot second. Unfortunately, Faith Babara used 2F. It's not 2F, it's only single F1F. So it's not double F. It's not Gaf. Okay, Gafe. Felicia Jumbo is serious. She's putting tone mark on her own to make it serious. Gafere. Gafe. Gafere. Okay, Tidrili, you went even extra. You are giving us the past tense of Gafe. That is past. Past already. But I'm talking about an instruction, pass. But you're giving us past. That is the past tense of pass. Okay, that is what the Drili is giving us here. Okay, all is good, all is well. So that is gafere. That what it really wrote. That is past tense of past. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. But the word is gafe. So the first person that got it is agomata gafe, followed by Felicia didn't put 2E, put only 1E, gafe. Okay, you tried. Then Faith Barbara is the one that second person that got it right. Gafe, G A F E double E. Gafe. That's great. Faith Barbara, thank God that you are still here. You are following us today. Okay, we've done the first letter for G. The first word for letter G. Second word for letter G is, let me challenge you now for this. Go nyem, go nyem. As count me in. Count me in. Count me in. Go nyem, go nyem, one letter. But M can be separate, no problem. Go nyem, because M means me. Go nyem, go nyem, count me in. Who is shooting the first shot here? Go nyem, count me in. Go nyem. Who is shooting the first shot? Go nyem. Waiting for the first shot. Oh, what is the meaning of gafe? Oh, I've said it already before. That gafe means pass. As we'll say, oh, something passed, or somebody passed me, or somebody should pass. Gafe, pass. As you are walking together, ask somebody, pass me, or gafe, just cross or pass. That's the meaning of gafe. Okay, Faith Barbara has written, gonyem, 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 gonyem. Okay, Tidrili, written something, agomata, gonyem. Okay, Felicia Jumbo, where are you? Shoot now, gonyem, gonyem. Shoot your shot, gonyem. Okay, I'm waiting for others. I want to see Felicia Jumbo's response. Okay, Guyem. Okay, you tried, Felicia. Okay, who got the correct thing here? Faith Barbara wrote first, but she added O, which is not supposed to be there in Guyem. Not only that, her U is supposed to have dot under. Tidrili wrote go, nyem, but he separated nyem and left go alone, to stand alone. That is not correct. The only thing you can separate there is M, which is me, count me. But Gunye had to be together. So Tid really almost got the something correctly, got the right dot under U, which is correct, but he has to bring back Nye together with Go. You can separate M, which is me. That's fine to do, right? So agomata, gunyem, that's the correct spelling. But you can as well push the M aside, agomata, to stand as me alone. So it become gunyem. Alicia Jumbo, that's better. That's better. So agomata, push your M to stand alone as me. Gunyem. Oh yeah, Tidrili, you got it right. That's what it should be. That's count me in. Gunyem. Oh, now we're in the next alphabet. We move from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What's the next alphabet? Who will guess what is the next alphabet after G in Igbo language? Who will guess? Just put it in the chat session. Who will guess what is the next alphabet after G in Igbo alphabet? Yes, yes, yes. Only those that have watched my recent video that will remember that. If you have not watched the recent video, full lesson on Igbo alphabet, you will not get this. So if you've not watched that video, go back and watch that video. Okay, Tid really got it. Great. GB. Got it. Tid really got it. That is we. Pronounced as we. Okay, Felicia Jumbo got it. We. Pronounced as we. This is great. This is great. We. Okay, listen to the sound. We. We. As if sound is dropping down. We. On the ground. We. Okay, that is the alphabet. So let's take the word bue, bue, that is kill. Bue, kill. Okay, Agomata got it. We, my word is bue, which is kill. Now shoot your shot now. What is the spelling of bue, which is kill? What is the spelling? The next 10 minutes we are running off. What is the spelling of bue? Bue, bue, kill. Bue, kill. Yes, shoot your shot now. Bue, kill. Can the starting letter be small letter? No. The starting letter cannot be small letter. It has to be capital letter. Okay? Now somebody did really has shot, which he said bue. No, I said bue. Bue. I didn't say guam. I said bue. Okay? Agomata, you are there. You are there. Agomata, you're on fire. Agomata is on fire. Bue, that is the right word. Agomata. Look at the comment and chat of agomata. That's the right spelling. Bue, kill. Kill. Bue. Now let me challenge you. The next word is a 5-letter word. Okay? It is ba fue. Ba fue, run away. Ba fue. Ba fue. Ba fue. Ba fue. Ba fue. Let me know those who are on fire today that will get this word. Ba fue, run away. Ba fue, run away. Bara mana nke a dị mfe maka m. Emere m ya afọ gara aga biko zam. The surface go as in hapu go or merry go, and so is this acceptable standard Igbo? The surface, okay, go as in hapu go, merry go, and so on. Is acceptable in Igbo. Of course, Ben is acceptable. Is acceptable. O merry go, or hapu go is acceptable. Some will prefer to use O meriela. Like you have it here now, Meriela, Omerigo, or Omeriela. But Omerigo is acceptable in Igbo too, is correct. Omerigo. That's acceptable. Okay, we have Agumata, Bafue. We have Tidrili, Bafue. Okay, who is winning this one? Agumata has won again. Bafue, she has won again. Okay. Agumata has won again. Please give Agumata a clapping emoji. She has won. She's on fire already. If I give her fire emoji because she has gotten 2 in a row, give Agumata a fire emoji. Fire emoji for Agumata. She has gotten 2 in a row. Okay, give Agumata a fire emoji. Okay, give Agumata a fire emoji. So let's go back to the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, B. What's the next? Ye, Gwe. The next alphabet is Ye, which is GH. Ye, which is GH. Okay, GH. Okay, Agabata, taking your fire emoji already. They're giving you fire emoji. Okay, so the next alphabet we are dealing with now is GH, pronounced as E. You just open your mouth, let the air go out. E. Okay, E, that is GH. E. So the first, okay, Agomata, you have gotten so many fire emoji. Okay, Felicia Jumbo, you have got the next alphabet, which is GH. You are correct. And the sound is E. Let's take a word. Aya. Aya. Although the alphabet came in the middle of this word, but still have to try it. Aya. Give me the word. Shoot. Shoot, you are spelling aya, which means war or battle. Aya. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Aya. We're running off in the next 5 minutes. Aya. Who is shooting first? Aya. War. Aya. Okay. Who is shooting first? Aya. Okay. Aya. Not aya. I say aya. Aya. Nobody has gotten it. Nobody has gotten aya. I think it should be simple. This is just 3-letter word. 3-letter word. I don't think it's a difficult thing. Aya. Never. Felicia Jumbo, where is the alphabet we are dealing with? You are the one that told us the alphabet is GH. Where did you put the GH now in what you wrote? The GH is not there. I mean the GY. That GH, that is the alphabet we are dealing with. Where is the alphabet in what you have written, Felicia? The alphabet is missing entirely from what you wrote. Hey, now you are here, Felicia. Now you come back. I know you're on fire before. Why are you disappointing me now? Okay, the first person that got the word is Agomata, which is Aya, A, Aya. Name Israel. That's correct. That's what's happening in Israel now. Fire, war. Aya, Agomata got it first. Felicia Jumbo corrected herself, right? Other people, you went off key. You went. What is Felicia still writing again? You have written the correct thing, you are still writing another. You have failed yourself again. No? You have written Aya already. Why are you writing another thing? Felicia, what did happen now? Okay, don't pass the track. We have already passed the track. Okay, the last letter we're dealing with today is GW. That's the next alphabet. And that's the last thing we're doing today. Because of our time, we already passed 1 hour. So, because of those that will watch this letter, we don't want it to be too long. So, the last letter today, we continue next time, is GW, which is pronounced as Gwe, 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 Gwe. The first word for Gwe is Guara, 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 which means told. As you tell somebody something, past tense of tell is told. Deal with that now as the last word for today. Guara, Guara, told. If I say, oh, Guaram, he told me. Guara. Okay, it did really fire, on fire. Felicia Jumbo, you have returned back to fire level now. Guara. Okay. Okay, others should shoot their shot. Everybody should shoot. This is the last word. Please shoot your shot. Agomata, Guara. Great. Shoot your shot. This is the last word for today. Guara. Agomata. Got it? Felicia Jumbo. Got it? Tidrili. Got it? You're the first. Winner is, I'm waiting for others, but winner is Tidrili. Tidrili. Please give Tidrili a clapping emoji. Fire emoji. Also, he deserves it today. I've been on fire throughout. He's here. I can see his picture. He's a man. So please give Tidrili fire emoji, so round up and clapping emoji. He has tried so much today. In fact, I don't think he was in our last section, but today he performed excellently great. So please give him his due honor. Fire emoji, clapping emoji as a round up today. Thank you for making out time. Koki J, thank you for making out time to be in this our live session today. If you have enjoyed this session and you know you have benefited, please can you put that in the chat session that you enjoyed our session today and you learned something today. Can you put that in our chat session? I want to be sure that today's session is impactful. Is this on every week? Bembe is asking whether is this on every week. We are trying to make it every week. Only that my time is another thing. But if you request that we should make it every week, please let me know in the chat section that we should make it every week if you desire that. I want to be sure that I don't just come online and I'm alone and that there's not enough people to be around. We had about 10 people today, in fact, 11 people today. So I want to be sure that if we are coming on board, that you are ready to be with me. Otherwise, it won't worth the time and the data to do this. So if you want us to do this every week, please indicate that and let me be sure you are ready for that and you'll be available when we meet, not that I will be here and I will see you. So if you want this to be done every week, please indicate in the chat session. Just put there every week. Just put there weekly. Just put there weekly. Let me be sure you are requesting for weekly live session. Just put it there. Okay, thank you. Then for sure, really said for sure. I don't know what you mean by for sure. Okay, you mean you enjoyed it. Please, if you want this weekly, indicate you want it weekly. Let me be sure you will be here with me. Is anyone here from USA? I've had trouble with the ebook for acceptable form of payment. Oh, Koki J, what is the problem you are having with the ebook? Is it that you can't pay through that? Is accepting MasterCard and other platform? Okay, let me just ask: who has paid for the ebook from US? Who has bought our ebook from USA? If you have done that, please indicate that you have bought from USA because Koki J is complaining that he's having problem paying from US. Can you let me know who is having problem paying for the ebook from US? That let me know that, And then Koki, please, Koki, I hope you are hearing me. If you have challenge paying from US, please send me email that you want to pay directly to my account. But I don't know how much they're going to charge you for that. I don't know. I don't know how much they're going to charge because of direct transfer. Or you can use SendWave. Somebody just, I think Faith Barbara just sent me some support financially through SendWave, and I've received the money already. But the bank is asking me to go and pick the money, unless they will return it back to her latest by Monday, because I've not had the chance to go to the bank. So if you can ask for SendWave, you send it to me through SendWave. When you send it, the payment maybe for 2 or 3 books, because one book will not be worth it, because one book will be around $1.2. So if you are buying maybe 3 or 4 books, that'll be fine. So send me, pay me through SendWave, and then send me email that you are paid for so books and the evidence of payment. Once you send me email that you are paid, and let me and have your name through which you paid, I got it through SendWave. I will now send you a download link directly to your email. You can get it through that. Okay, Faye Barbara said she paid from USA and she had bought about 3 books without any problem. So I don't know what that is, what is the problem. But if you have issues with that, maybe with your bank or whatever, pay through SendWave. Faith Barbara has sent me money through SendWave and I got it. Send me money through SendWave. Send me email, the igbotutor@gmail.com, that you are paying for so books, and I will send it direct to your email box so they can access it from the email. Faith Barbara said he paid from US. Okay, that's fine. So, okay, Cookie J say you want them all. That's fine. So if you want them all, there are about 4 we have there now. Please let me also say that by next week, we're going to include ebook for Igbo numbers, number 1 to 1,000 is going to come in by next week. So you can be sure, if God keep me alive, by next week it will be dropped on the in the store. The ebook for Igbo numbers 1 to 1,000 will be dropped in the store next week. So if you are buying all of them, you just pay me through SendWave and notify me by my email that you are paid for so books. Just list the books that you are paid for and your name. Of course, I got through your email and the name you used to pay to SendWave, and I will send you the book directly to your mailbox so that you can download it through there, or I give you access to my whatever you need to. I give you the link directly, maybe through your WhatsApp. If you have WhatsApp, I send the link to you through your WhatsApp, direct to your WhatsApp. So you just open it and read. So that will not be a problem. Okay, so Cookie J, let's do that. You say you want them all, so let's do that. Send me money through SendWave and send me email, the igbotutor@gmail.com, and notify me you are paid. That way, we can send you your book directly to your mailbox, or send me the number you have, your WhatsApp number. Send it to me through your email, so I can connect you on WhatsApp and drop the book directly to your WhatsApp, DM. There won't be any problem with that at all. So please, let's try that. And for the rest of you who have not bought the ebook, please, you need to do that. Not just because I want you to give me money, but because it will help you to improve so well. Okay, it will help you to. Yes, I'm looking for SendWave now. Okay, SendWave, I don't know how it works there, but I think Faith Barbara sent me money through SendWave. I don't know how she did it. You can ask her. But I know she did send me money recently through SendWave, and I got it without any problem at all. So, those of you that have not bought my book, I am not asking you to buy because I need your money. By the grace of God, we are not hungry, but we still need your support in any case. So, but because the ebook will help you to learn faster, the ebook gives you the text you have that you can. Okay, it gives you access to the book, the text, the picture, the wordings, and then the audio that you can listen to as many times as you want in a day. You have a permanent access to the audio teaching and the book and the text and the pictures and the pronunciations, everything. That is what made Felicia Jumbo to be responding well today, because she has gone through the ebook. She bought 2 of them. So if you are are here with us, if you are part of this system, if you are serious about learning Igbo language, you need to buy our ebooks. The link to the store will be dropped in the description of this, our live session video, and go to our community tab in our homepage and check. You will see the advert for the books. Click on the link, it will take you straight to the store, and you make your reorder and make payment and download it immediately. Thank you for your time and then the commitment of all of you today. You've said, many of you have said you want this to be done weekly, but I only saw Koki J said weekly, Faye Babara said weekly, Felicia Jumbo said weekly. Okay, I did, and I don't have any problem. Okay, Faith is saying he downloaded the book from US and she has no problem. So anywhere you want it, you want to download directly, you want to pay directly to me, to my account, you want to send me money through SendWave, whatever you do, be sure that once your money gets to us, we will get your book across to you without any hassles. Don't be afraid of anything. We are doing this as a service to humanity. The money is not the main goal, but to make sure you learn Igbo language. So support us and support yourself by buying the ebooks for your own advantage. The price is not the value of the book, but we want to give you something that you can rely on, that can be of help to you for a long time. Even when I'm not alive, you can still be listening to my voice and be learning. So we pray that we're all alive and live longer, but $1 or $1.2 for book and audio is not going to be too much for you to afford. So do that now as a way of improving your learning and helping this channel to remain afloat, to buy data for us to work, and then keep teaching you Igbo language. Thank you for your time. Dalo, Kode, Boss. So those who said weekly, I took note of that, but many people did not say weekly among them. We're about 8 people here. Some did not say weekly, so I don't know whether they don't like it weekly. We are 8 remaining here. We're 11 before some has gone. So those who did not say weekly, I don't know whether you are objecting to that or you are in support of that, so that I will know that this is our agreement today. If it is okay by you, it's still okay, you can put it there. Got it, thank. Okay, Koki Jesse, got it. Thanks, Faith. Okay, he has downloaded the app. So Driller say weekly is fine. Okay, weekly is fine. That's okay. Okay, some other people have not said anything about weekly, because if you are saying weekly and I create my time to sit down and listen to you and teach, you have to be available too. It's not that I come create time for this and then I didn't see anybody to stay with me to do the lesson. It will not worth it at all. So I assume and believe that we agreed on weekly, and I'm accepting that. I'm taking up the challenge. I will try as much as possible to meet with you the same time every week, God helping me. So see you next week, same time, same period, and then we continue from where we stopped today next week. Imela, Bye. See you next time.